Central Hall, Westminster, was visited by Princess Margaret in her new uniform of Commandant-in-Chief of the St. John Ambulance Brigade Cadets. Before presenting awards in the national cadet competitions, the Princess made a short speech.
From what I have seen today, and from what I already know of your work, I am confident that the St. John Cadet movement will play an increasingly important part with other voluntary youth organizations in encouraging and developing all that is best in the boys and girls of our country. I wish you all the very best of luck.
Later, the young winners of awards for first aid and nursing received their prizes and Princess Margaret's congratulations.